got it working. It's pretty awesome.
Like to be the rainmaker.
Okay, here's my final build. I've got the case made out of walnut and birdseye maple. I built that over the past 2 days. It turned out really nice with a spray lacquer finish. I have all the electronics inside. So this piece up at the top has the NFC reader concealed inside of it. So whenever you take the CD, which have the tags on the back, which on some of them I actually took the CD case apart and put the tag on the other side of the back so that way they're not even visible from the outside. And now you just, once you set the in there, it will start playing. Alexa, stop. So one challenge that I still have to solve on this, which just means some more programming, is I learned through this project that every time you power the Echo Dot off and power it back on, it gets a new device ID with Spotify, which means I can't hardcode the device ID in my code, which I was doing. I now need to actually call an API and then look this Echo Dot up by name and then fetch the device ID. So that way my code will handle the dynamic change in that device ID. But other than that, I think it really works really well. There's probably a few more things I'll work on it as I go forward. Maybe the idea of if I'm playing a CD, I take that CD out, put it back on, maybe use that as a motion to say skip track and have it go to the next track. That might be one feature that I add to it. I really enjoyed this project and look forward to any feedback you have. And I also look forward to seeing all the else projects.